Hello and welcome to Yoga TX. My name is Crystal. Today I've got about a 15-minute practice planned for your morning. Waking up, sometimes actually yesterday I woke up and I'd slept on like the side of my head and I was like, oh my gosh. So a little bit of stuff for neck, definitely lots of shouldery stuff, but all that's connected. And this will just be a nice kind of slower morning practice for you. You will need a strap. If you don't have a strap, you can always grab a towel or a small blanket or even a sweater, maybe one that you don't mind getting stretched out a little bit. And then just have that handy. We won't use it quite yet. I am also propped up on a block for now. You don't necessarily need that either. But you can always roll up a blanket to sit on that if you like to have your hips elevated. So we'll start here in a seat. Go ahead and bring your hands somewhere on your body. Either place hands to thighs, or you can bring one hand to heart, one hand to belly. Let your eyes close down and begin to exhale all your air out. Take an inhale through your nose. And the mouth open, exhale. Again, deep breath in, fill up. Mouth open, let it go. And one more just like that. Deep breath in, fill up. Feel the rib cage expand. And the mouth open, exhale. And then invitation to set an intention here at the start of your practice, at the start of your day if you're doing this in the morning. And hone in on a word, a mantra, something you're wanting to call forth in your life today. That might just be calm or joy or being present. And take a moment here to breathe life, energy, light into whatever it is you're calling forth. And then hands back to thighs if they're not there already. Start with some neck circles, tuck chin to chest, roll ear to shoulder. Take it back down and the other way. And if it feels good this morning, you can even circle chin up to the ceiling and then back down. Then come back to a neutral spine. Inhale, circle, sweep your arms up overhead. Bring your palms to touch. Exhale, hands to your heart space. Two more like that. Inhale, gather your energy. And exhale, hands to heart. And one more. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, thumbs to your heart space. All right, different here. Inhale, reach your arms high. As you exhale, twist to your right. Right hand behind you, left hand to right knee. Pause here for a few breaths. Each inhale lifts you tall. Each exhale, turn and twist a little more. Maybe chin comes over your back right shoulder. And keep the hand on the knee where it is. Release the back right hand, reach up to the ceiling, and then turn your heart back forward for a little side bend here. And maybe use your traction of hand to knee to just add a little bit more sensation, get a little deeper into your side bend. Take one more inhale here. And exhale, right hand to left knee. So arms cross in front of you as your heart turns forward. And inhale, lift your crown. Exhale, tuck and round. Two more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, lift your crown. Exhale, tuck and round. Keep the arms crossed, float your palms off your knees. Find your eagle arms, grab opposite shoulders, bring backs of hands to touch, or take a double wrap of the arms. Then inhale, lift your elbows. Pause for the exhale. Inhale, maybe lift a little higher through the elbows. And exhale, elbows towards your belly button. Release the arms, place hands behind you, and then unwind your legs. Take a little windshield wipe of your knees right to left. Crunchy leaves. All right, switch the cross of your legs, and then inhale, sweep your arms high. Exhale, twist to your left, left hand plants behind, right hand to left knee. A few breaths here. Inhales, lift you tall. And exhales, turn and twist a little more. Maybe chin comes over your back left shoulder. Keep the hand on the knee where it is. Release your back left hand. Bring it up and over for that side bend. And one more inhale here. And exhale, bring the left hand to right knee, arms crossed in front of you. Inhale, lift the crown. Exhale, tuck and round. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale to round. Keep arms crossed, float your palms, find your eagle arms on this side. Maybe it's a different grip here. Inhale, lift the elbows. Pause for the exhale. Inhale, maybe lift the elbows a little higher. And exhale, elbows towards your belly button. All right, release the arms and take a little, I've heard this is called the washing machine, but a few little wipes right and left with the elbows. And then grab that strap or blanket or whatever it is you have. We're gonna take a wide grip on it. And then bring your arms overhead, take an inhale. And exhale, bring your arms behind you. And you might need to adjust your hands here, bringing them closer for more sensation, wider apart for less. Inhale, bring your arms up overhead. And exhale, hands back in front of you. We'll do 2 more rounds of this. Go at your own pace. Let your breath guide you. Just think about kind of drawing a bubble or a half circle over yourself. All right, the next time you come up, pause there. Readjust, maybe bring your hands a little bit closer together. We're gonna find a little more static pose with the strap. So take an inhale here with arms overhead. And as you exhale, let your hands fall behind you, kind of to that first sticky spot. So where your shoulders start to talk to you. And then breathe into this space. Now notice your ribs here. Sometimes when our arms come behind us like this, we like to turn the heart up. Let's try to avoid that for now. Can you knit your ribs? So bring your low rib cage towards the front of your hip bones. And think about engaging the core a little bit here. Take 1 more inhale. And then exhale, let the hands drop a little more behind you, finding that next sweet spot or sticky spot. And then 1 more inhale here. We're gonna take 1 more bus stop, as I like to call it. As you exhale, lower the arms a little bit. You might need to widen the hands a bit here. And breathe into your shoulders. And again, if they're yelling at you or screaming at you, can always widen the hands a little bit to reduce that sensation. All right, next inhale, bring your arms back up. And then exhale, place the strap to the front of your mat. Ooh, maybe a few more windshield wipes, or as I've heard recently, let's see, open coat arms, where you're just like swinging on a coat hanger. I don't know, I think that's a fun visual. All right, make your way to tabletop. And then take a few rounds of cat-cow here. Inhale, pull your heart forward. Exhale, tuck chin around the spine. Inhale, belly drops, look up. Exhale, tuck chin to chest. 2 more on your own. Maybe a little wiggle of hips right to left. And then ground your palms, spread fingers wide, tuck your toes, lift hips up and back for downward facing dog. Maybe pedal the heels here. Again, if you're practicing in the morning, this might feel really good. We've done a lot of upper body stuff. So now working into the lower body just a bit. And from here, bend your knees, look forward. Step to the top of your mat for a fold. Then inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release your top of the head down. Inhale, reach up high, bring your palms to touch. Hello, tree. Exhale, thumbs to your heart space. All right, from here, inhale, reach your arms high. And exhale, cactus the arms, find a bind, interlace hands behind you. And then inhale, puff up the heart. Exhale, keep your bind as you fold forward. Now put a deep bend in your knees. Ooh, my back just cracked. And then think about draping your upper body over your thighs. Now, if you're like, I can't bind, it's early, feel free to grab your strap again. And then use that to create some distance between your hands here. And you might think about pulling the hands away from your low back towards the top of your mat. And then if you have the strap, release it. If you have that bind, release it. Hands to the earth, inhale halfway. Exhale, plant your hands, step back. We're just gonna do one vinyasa here. Inhale, shift your shoulders forward. Exhale, lower half or all the way. Inhale, heart opener of your choice, baby cobra, straight arm up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. All right, bend your knees, look forward, travel to the top of your space. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold, grab your strap, come all the way up. And then we'll do a little more with the strap here, or your blanket, whatever it is you got. Set up as if you're about to jump rope with your prop. We're not gonna do that, I promise. It's just the best way I can think of to describe what this looks like. And then shift your weight into your right foot, float your left knee towards your chest, single leg mountain. Then pause here again, getting a little more focus on the lower body here. Knit your ribs, engage the core. Send your knee out to the left, find your tree pose, foot plants either above or below the knee, and try not to use the hand to adjust. Just see where you are today. All right, knee comes back to center. Supported dancer, kick your heel towards your glute, and then use your prop strap blanket to catch the top of the ankle or foot, and then lift the foot towards the glute. Now keep the heart open here. It might not be a huge lift, but just using that blanket as support. Maybe the hands come up a little more, or you keep the hands wide. Find what feels good to you here. Ooh, uneven ground, that's what we'll blame that on. Take one more, inhale, and exhale, release. Shake out the leg, shake out the foot, maybe find those open coat sleeves. Oh, that's fun. All right, shift your weight into your left foot, pull your right knee up towards your chest. Single leg mountain, balance here, ground through your standing foot. Bring knee out to the side, find your tree pose. Foot plants above or below the knee. We want to protect the knee. And then draw your knee back forward. Start to kick heel towards your glute. Catch the top of the foot or ankle with that strap. And maybe pause wide. Actually, this feels like a little more sensation or external rotation of the shoulders, so it might be easy to bring your hands closer inward and then pull the hands up. Maybe the foot comes back a little more. Ooh. One more inhale. And exhale, release. We're done with that strap. Go ahead, shake it out. Wah, wah, wah. All right, inhale, reach your arms high. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant your hands. Option if you want to take another vinyasa or press straight to down dog. And then soften your knees down, take a child's pose. And then tent your right fingertips, turn your left palm up, slide the left arm underneath the right, and turn your left ear towards the mat. And then we'll switch left hand forward, flip the right palm, thread the right arm underneath the left, right ear turns to face the mat. And release back to your child's pose. You can stay here in child's pose. You can also bring your arms along your sides for a little more restorative. If you want a little more sensation through your shoulders, which we've done a lot of shoulders today, you can bring your palms to touch, then bend your elbows so your thumbs touch the back of your neck. And then feel free to stay here as long as feels good to you. If you need to get on with your day, you can meet me in a seat. Walk your hands back towards you to sit up on your heels. And then we'll do one more breath together. Start by exhaling all your air out. Inhale, fill the lungs. Take in a little more air at the top. And sigh it out. Great. Thank you so much for showing up today, sharing your practice, your energy with me. Again, my name is Crystal. Thanks for hanging out with me at Yoga TX. And
If you want to follow me, I'm on Instagram. My handle is at it's Crystal. Sorry, it's _CRYST, 5 A's and an L. Namaste, yogis.